My name is Savannah and I'm with BMW of Tyler. Today I'm going to show you how to program your garage door with your BMW in 4 simple steps featuring Louie the French Bulldog. Step 1 is going to be to hold down buttons 1 and 3 underneath of the rear view mirror until the light blinks green. Step 2 is press the button you're wanting to program. It starts flashing steady orange, and hold down the button that corresponds with the garage door you're wanting to pair until it blinks rapidly green. For step 3, we're going to move to inside of the garage. For this step, you might need a ladder or a step stool. Hit the button on the back of the motor and there's a red indicator light that starts blinking slowly. For step 4, you're going to go back to the vehicle and press the button that we already programmed to the remote. Hold the button down for about 3 seconds at a time until you see the garage door start to move. Now your BMW should be paired with your garage door. Thank you for watching and check out our how-to playlist for more tips and tricks.